Good morning, Kitri. Hello.
Good morning, Mona Lisa.
Good morning,
No,
Papa. Oi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm fat.
What? Chubby. Just chubby. You say, Papa, chubby. Okay? Oh,
Happy.
okay. So I make my
Enjoy
background.
Enjoy eat snacks.
What kind?
Enjoy eat snacks.
He eat? What? Okay.
Enjoy eating snacks. Eat snack all day. เรียนต่อ
Okay. Now we have Papa and Boy. Yeah, Papa. Have you prepared your have you print already we are now in our math, right?
Yes, Matt.
Math.
Today
So
worksheet.
have you prepared your math worksheet, the one that is telling the time? Prepare it first. Your math worksheet telling the time. Okay, we will wait first for a while for the others. Okay, let's check. My background picture.
morning, Sister Maribel.
Good morning, Bye Boa. Lilibeth.
Already.
Lilibeth. Okay.
Really bad, okay.
Yes. Okay. Prepare your math worksheet now. Prepare your. Yes, this one,
This?
Tad. Yes, this
Yes.
one. Have you printed your math worksheet?
Sister, this.
Okay, yes, this one. By Boa also, you prepare it already? Have you prepared your math worksheet? Math worksheet. Math, that one. Show it to Oy. Show it to by Boa Oy. Okay, prepare it first and I think we can start now. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, K3, for our math?
Yeah.
Boom. Can you say it?
Yeah. Boom.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom.
Hep, hep.
Yes. Yes.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep, hep.
Hooray.
Okay. Now let us start. Okay, now let us start. Let us go to this one now. I prepared this one for you. Okay, I want you to be very familiar of telling the time, okay? Because you will start to use your watch already, right? So when somebody will ask you what time is it now, you need to know how to answer in English, not in Pasatay, okay? In English. Okay, now let's go to this one. What time is it? Okay, let us start. You have to answer this one. We have here clock and you have choices. You have to choose the correct answer here. Look at here first. You have to answer this one first, okay? You have to, because you will start to practice reading, reading, right? So you need to check here. Where is the correct answer here? Okay, so look at this time, look at the clock and read here. We have three choices here. Okay, where is the correct answer here? Here.
We don't know.
Can you read this one? It's 3 o'clock. Okay, is this correct?
3 o'clock.
Correct or no? Yes or no? It's 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
No. This one is no. Try again, he said. And then it's
Yes.
9 o'clock. Can you say it? 9
9
o'clock.
o'clock.
Okay, this is the 9 o'clock is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next. Okay, we have Hi, Marine. Good morning, Marine. Hi,
Good
Marine.
morning, teacher Lily Bear.
Morning. You prepare your math worksheet, Marine. Okay.
Yeah.
Prepare your math worksheet. One that is telling the time. Okay, that one. That one. It shows. You don't have. If you don't have Marine, if you don't have your worksheet,
Yes, me is puppy car
yeah. If you cannot have
and
your
grandmother and grandfather.
cannot.
Yes.
Okay. If you cannot print your worksheet, you just have to draw it. Okay. It's very easy to draw. Okay. I sent it in your line, and you can draw it, and it's much better. Okay. If you cannot print it, okay. If you can print it, it's okay. Okay, so are you ready? Look at here. What time is one? This clock. What it shows what time? This clock. Is it 10 past 10? Can you read this one? It's 10 past 10. We have here 3 choices. It's 10 past 2. What is the correct answer here? Oh, this one is not correct.
It's a car.
Yes, very good. Very good, Marine. Very good. Okay, you
Yeah.
just have to draw your worksheet, Marine, okay? You are very good in drawing. You can just draw it and, okay? Okay, now let's go to the next one. What is the correct answer here is? Can you read it? Look at the clock. Have you seen? You know already how to watch the clock, right? It's look at here. Answer. It's 10 past 10 past.
10 past.
Yes,
Well
this is the
done.
answer. 10 past 10. That is the correct answer. Okay. And now let's go to the next. Oi, Bea. Hi, Bea. Bea is here. Good morning, Bea. Okay, now let's go to this one. Prepare your math worksheet, Bea. Math worksheet. Okay. What time is it? This one. Can you tell me what time is it?
It's half past 8.
Half past 8. This one. So where is the 8 past?
10 past 8.
Yeah, 8 past 8. So where is it? You have to check here. Is it the one?
No.
No.
No. This one?
No. No.
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
half past?
Prophecy.
Yes.
Yes, this one. This is the answer. Okay.
Thank you.
You also have to read. Okay. Okay, this one. What time is that? This one. This clock. Clock here.
นี่
8
เลขอะไรเขียนยาวเสียงเล็กนี่คือเลขอะไร
20. What? Can you, is it 20 past 11?
10 โมง 40 คืออะไร
Is it 20 past 11? No.
No. No. No.
So what is the answer? Is it 20 past 10?
No. No.
Look at here. The answer is
No.
it's 22.
Yes.
22 11.
22.
22 11. So this is the correct answer. The answer here is 22 11. What time is it now? Look at the clock. When somebody will ask you, okay, Papa, what time is it now? It's 20 past 22 11. Okay, now let's go to the next.
10 โมงอ่านอย่างนี้
Okay, what time is it? This one. We have here. You have to write here. You have 3 choices here. It's quarter to 9.
No. No.
Quarter
No.
to 9.
No.
No, this one? Is it quarter? This one? Can you read it? It's 9:15. Is it correct or no?
No. Yes.
This one. 9:15. Yes, this is the answer, okay? This is the correct answer.
หน่อยอะไร
Now let's go to this one.
9 โมง
It's,
แล้วก็ไป10
what is the time, this one? What is the time? It's 5. It's 5 to 9. This is correct or not? What?
No.
This one is, look, can you have you read it? It's
No.
5 to 9. This one is the correct answer. It's 5 to 9. Okay? Okay, now this one is, okay. You need to know already how to tell the time, okay? So I prepare another slide for you. Another slide. Okay, look at this one. I prepare another slide. And this is it. Okay. You have to look at here and all of you answer this one so you can answer your worksheet, okay? Okay, look at here, all of us. Let us check the time. Okay,
แหม
let us talk about your daily
ไปเล่นอะไร
routine
เข้าตัวเอง
and time, okay? Your daily routine and time. Now let's go to spin this one. And when the arrow will go to the picture, we have to describe to the picture and also the time. Describe the
เรียกว่า7
picture
โมง
and
7 โมงเนี่ย7 โมง
let
เช้า
us put a
7
sentence.
โมงก็อะไร7อะ
Describe
เลข
the
7อะไร
picture, okay?
เซเว่นอะไรเซเว่นไป
Let
หา
us describe the picture. Okay, let us start. Sorry, let us spin first. Okay. Okay, this picture here is, it tells that he gets up at what time? Have you
หนู
said
ไม่
the
ใช่
time?
วิชีเด็กเขานะไม่ได้วาดอีกนะ
He gets up at 7 o'clock.
O'clock.
Okay,
7
7
o'clock.
o'clock. Yes, now let's go to the next picture. Yes, let's go to spend this one again. Okay, can you describe the picture? What he is doing? Okay, look at the picture here.
O'clock.
Okay, 9 o'clock. The clock is 9 o'clock. And the picture, look at here. What he is doing? This one. What he is doing?
TV.
Yes.
TV.
If you put it in a sentence together, the time and the picture, it says, we can say, he watches TV at 9 o'clock. Okay? He watches TV at 9 o'clock. Okay, let us combine the picture and the
เซเว่น
time.
เห็นลูก
Okay, and
นั่งพอดีจะโศกแล้วเนี่ย
let us put a sentence, okay? Okay, let us go to another example here. Okay, let us spin again. Okay, let's look at this picture and look at the time.
10 o'clock.
What
อัน
time
นี้
is it now?
15 นาทีอะเซเว่นอะไร
What time is it now?
คือ
And look at
อะไร
the
นะ
picture. What he is doing in the
15
picture.
เลข15อะไร
What he is doing in the picture
Oh.
and what is the time?
Shower.
Okay, look at here. Look at this one. He takes a shower. Very good. He takes a shower at 7:15.
20 o'clock.
7:15. Okay? He takes a shower at 7:15. 7:15.
อันนี้กรอบตัวนี้ตัวไหนกรอบตัวไหน
Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. Let us spin again. Okay, what he is doing? This one, this picture. What he is doing? He, and look at the time.
25 30 35 40 45 ภาษาอังกฤษ
O'clock.
เอกก่อนอันนี้ต้องเอก
ไม่ต้องเขียนเขาไม่
แม่เขาบอก
Okay, look at the time and look at the picture. If we will combine the picture and the time, look at here. The picture and the time, We can create a sentence. He gets dressed. He gets dressed at
จะนั่ง
quarter.
ดีๆทีจะไปเล่นอะไรกับโป๊ตั้งใจดู
Okay,
สิ
quarter to 8. Okay, this one. He gets dressed at quarter to 8. This one, the time here is quarter to 8. Okay. Okay, let us go to the next
อันนี้
example.
มันช่องมันตัวไหนเนี่ย
Let us spin again. Let us spin again and look at the picture now here. And look at the time. Can you put the sentence?
ก็มาลง
8 o'clock. And this picture is shows what? Yes, very good. And this
ก็บน
picture,
ช่องหก
what they are doing?
คนนี้ทำไมไม่ใช่เนี่ย
Okay, we can. Okay, okay, we can combine. We can put a sentence to this
ดู
one.
เนี่ยยืนเรียง
They
ด้านหลังเนี่ย
have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay, can you read this? You can read this one, right? They have breakfast at this one. Have you said? They have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Yes, they are taking their breakfast at 8 o'clock. Yes, and now let's go to the next. Let's go to the next example. Okay, look at here. Okay, what he is doing? Okay, he's brushing his teeth and look at the time. Huh? The time here is the time here is 8 o'clock. Are you sure? Class? Huh? Okay, let's go to the sentence, okay? He brushes his teeth at 8. The time here is 5 past 8.
เขียนนั่งนาฬิกา
5 past. So you see this one? 5 past, right? 5 past 8. Okay? So he brushes his teeth. When you say look at the baby horse there, prow. Prow, sit properly, prow. Prow, sit down and listen, prow. Prow, you hear me? Prow, don't sit like that. Listen, prow, sit properly. Sit down and listen here, prow. Look at here. Sit down and look at here properly. Okay, very good. Okay, he brushes his teeth at 5 past 8. 5 past 8.
น่ะเขียวอ่ะ ไม้ก็ขึ้นเขียวเนี่ย
On to the next. Let's go to the next example here. Okay, this one. Have you seen this one? What he's doing? What he is doing in this picture and the time. Look at the time here.
ของกุศล
Yes. Okay. Who's that? Who is asking to drink water? Bea? Okay, you can drink water. Okay, let us check this one. The picture and the time. Look at here. The picture and the time. He walks his dog at 8:30. The time is 8:30. 8:30.
ดูครูสอนเนี่ยตอบไม่
Okay.
ได้
Okay, now let's go to the next example here. Okay, let us begin again.
ไม่เห็นเลย
Okay,
บอกแม่ไงว่าเอาข้าวมาไว้
in this one, what time is it? What time is one?
จะดูเขาทำเหมือนทำอย่างที่ทำนะ
Bed. Okay, this one. Look at the picture and look at the time. Can you put a sentence to this one?
นี่เป็นเขา
Okay, let us go for the It is a nap. At the One quarter to 4. The time here is quarter to 4. Okay? Okay. You need to study more very well about the time. Okay? Quarter to 4. The time here is quarter to 4. And the picture says, and the picture here is nap. He takes a nap at quarter to 4. Yes, sleeping. He is nap. He take a nap. Okay. And now let's go to the next. Okay, look at this one. Okay, look at the time. And the picture.
And leave. Take a bath.
And the time. Let us put the sentence.
Take a bath.
Okay, take a bath. Very good. Okay. So it says he takes a bath at
9
10
o'clock.
10 to
9 o'clock.
10 to 9.
9
You have to say 10 to 10 to 10 to 9. Okay? 10 to 9. Okay, you understand? Okay, now let's go to this picture. Let us spin again. Okay, let us spin again. Okay, this picture, can you? Picture and the time, look at here. The picture and the time, can you describe? Can you put a sentence on this one? This one is, he goes to school at 5 to 9.
5 to 9.
Yes, 5 to 9. Okay? You need to familiar the to and the past. This one is past. This one, the right side is past. The left side is to. So you have to say, he goes to school at 5 to 9. 5 minutes to 9.
5 to 9.
5 to 9. Okay? Okay, let us go to another. Let us print again. Look at here. Okay, look at this one. What he is doing and the time. Look at the time first. Let us put a sentence
5
together.
o'clock.
Okay, 5 o'clock. Yes. So let us put the picture. This picture here. It describes. Look at this one. He does his homework at 5 o'clock. Okay, you look at here. He does his homework. He does his homework at 5 o'clock.
5.
Okay.
Do number 5 o'clock.
Okay, this one is 5 o'clock and he does his homework. See, so we have to put the sentence. Okay, another one. Okay, look at the picture. What he is doing in this picture and look at the time. What time is it? This one? Let us put a sentence. He feeds his dog at past 7. Okay, 7:30. Okay, now let's go. One more. Okay, one more. Okay, then this one. This one. What he will. Okay, this picture and the time. Okay, let us put a sentence. This picture and the time. The time. Just a minute. Okay. Where is it? Okay, this one. Let's put a picture. Let's put he goes to bed. What is the time here?
9.
9:30. Yes, he goes to bed 9:30. Okay, so I hope you understand and I hope you can tell the time already. If somebody will ask you what time is it, you can tell the time easily. Okay, so you need to study this one You have to answer your worksheet. Okay, K3? I think
Okay.
Okay, I hope you understand and you answer your worksheet. Keep practice telling the time. You have to watch the time, okay? What's the time?
Can I go drink water?
You have worksheet, Bea?
Yes.
Yeah, you okay. You answer your worksheet. If you don't have your worksheet, if you cannot print that worksheet that I sent to you, you can just draw it. You draw it, okay? You are very good in drawing, okay? So I want to say thank you to all of you. Our time is already up. And say thank you so much, K3. And I'll see you again tomorrow, okay?
Teacher Arabic.
Yes? Bye. I want to say your hi time first. Hi time. Hi time.
Vicky Paul teacher.
Papa. Okay.
ที่ว่าแล้วก็ทำยังไงให้
May
เขียนอะไรลงไป
bawa, Papa. Abay bunga
แล้วอะไร
Bea.
อีก
Okay. Okay, all of you K3. Thank you, Mary. Bye.
จะเขียนยังไง
Thank you.
ในเมื่อไม่มีตัวหนังสืออะไรให้มัน
Hard, okay?
ทำยังไง
Study hard. Bye. Thank you.